Ba man yamra Ghana card and so. Me no tia ye kase. According to NIA, enipa a register is 16.9 million. Enipa nyame adom ye issue omo card amomo is 16.6 million people. Omo a yentimi mfa omo card ma omo 800,000. So we share Ghana statistics report omo de buyer. The attorney say nipa omo di between the ages of 1 to 14 is about 30% of our 30 million population. Into about 30%, which is about 11 million people. Into tisa any free more na akani problem. About 19-20 million people thereabouts. It is a washer nipa omonsa kan omogana card ye 16.6 million. The year can be seen say omo ye of voting age no because me count 1 to 14. Into ubesate 14 to 17 I think F. And also be another 1 million. So the voting population we share compared to last year and this year. Last year was about 17 million. This time we are looking about 19 million. Now share nipa on my register it's just about 16.9. Emu 16.6 and a more card. And we are looking about roughly 2 million Ghanaians are almost den enyanka omo Ghana card. That's a statement that's number 1. Number 2. Yen nuanom say omo ntiase sa den tinye de Ghana card ebeye voter registration. Minua se wo hwe omo ankasa legislative instrument omo de koto parliament in 2012 LI 2111 omo kan sisu poppy say eniema brofo kasem yesi ye mandatory use of the Ghana card includes voting. Omo na de call parliament. Ominuan mu 2012 under president Mills Mahama time ene de call parliament omo ene de call. Enti eden na mu nkofuku a mu amode emra kwa parliament ama ye de akoto ho ama parliament agi atum abeye mra mo se ye no na ye de implement the act 705 which is NIA act 705 eden na mu amo se be ka se samra na mu amode koto parliament no mu emfa nya adwuma na de me ya ma hometi kakra ne se obeka ya 2018 yenra se edun keti ababonten be ka se e mo mu register for Ghana card obekai and anche afepepepe na yenra John Dramani Mahama His Excellency eco register for Ghana card on one group of people in one breath yen register in another breath ya register me no ka say ofoso Ampofo at the statement about ne buofu wanya me na se post statement ni mu mpo no data was statement was say omo amanya omo Ghana card ye 13 million enya no kre ma prove actually wa ha NIA statement omo dey about abonten ono ni buofu ba President Mahama yenra asie dun ketia yenra Mahama yarega omo nyina say se the Ghana card no be voter registration omo ni problem omo de ne say yenhwe say Ghana ni bia ansa be den e be ka ne Ghana card contradiction one political party we can see omai minim say mre ni ho nti midman no be see lastly adentina unim say under ya maame Charlotte say you spend 473 million Ghana cedis and a voter registration kwa under Charlotte say you spend 387 million Ghana cedis eba form but that's still 387 million Ghana cedis at the time we exchange rate differentials now about $80 million omai adentin yentimi fa $80 million ne ma NIA na omo expande na nipa be 2 million 3 million aka ni mfie mienu ne fa aka no yemfa mo omo nya registration sane ye be ya ye benya mfasode mienu 1 yetimi de Ghana card no ye registration to aba na de tosu mienu no yetimi asa expand ye Ghana card system ana na sa de wenso montiasi why do you have to politicize this
medasi na otimi say abanga otifi ohun be bia ode na NDC
aban we
waka ne ma bobom na ye pepepa mo Ghana edikan ne say ye Ghana constitution e kire say Ghana ni bia ana adwen mu da ho wanya bonfe dumotwe o kwan say oto aba ana regulation e kire say ansan obeto aba no e say odin ko abato kratam so what you say yes so ye registered voter enti wanya 18 years now person odin ko hye yen abato kratam ansan wetimi anya kwan ato aba e bia we yen 2024 na You get to say obia and then obi was 17 years. Next year obenya 18 years. As I say ni ding beka yen register. Another year, and subsequent years no, ebi benya 18. As in ding beka ho bi. Obo ha bibi nti no ni Ghana. Into the last registration yen wan fa ni ding am kohye mu bi. Ono so benya kwanya, obenya kwan sorry. E di ni ding akwa ho bi. And no na ela ya won aye primprin e kire say obi bia wonni Ghana card no. Sefe no nya 18 years old. Since we took one and only Ghana to the uncle about to crater source document I'll bet him the acco. I bet you say we Ghana and he said there was what the Ghana card acco. And the person say and no nyadia ebe encourage a man for the domo let me do in the aqua Ghana card because we here electoral commission whether chairperson and as infants we here electoral commission near what preoccupation they say Obama Ghana ni bienya you make it flexible Obama mu ada ho I won't find impediment be I won't find akwansidi bia nkoto nipa na kwan mu enti wo ye so rigid say kofa Ghana card nkwansa ye de udin abeka battle card no ho a anhwe ni ya obetietie binom fa ho di so etia constitution no etia one right a obetimi de akwakoto oba why don't it is flexible because one ni entia yesusu say e de problem beba no say NIA fu ameyate ase say enye nipa wo Ghana nyina no ngetima register on awie e di kan nen ebi kran so won register but problems kakra wo won identity no ho and I say won biometrics ho it just say what you NCC enu achi no obu ha na de kran so ayira eze o replace ma no it is say ye be Ghana NIA aba asoe no etimi aye adwuma e ho beba mfa so a ense say de pressure bi akwesi won so mprempren yi ense de pressure bi akwesi won because abri a friend am for kwakopre akwakope one card and san wetimi di ne din akoka abattle kata no ho enti wo beboa no ana se wo de akwansiri na ba na akwan mu why simple enti nia ne din wo mo de dawo won am ya ati ase say o friend den won kopale any new register na boa ne wo ho no normal continuous continuous registration no ba be ye enti afofofo woni ba be kan no ba be consider but Ghana card na eno na be krata eno pen na obetimi e de akwansa o de udi akoka no eno na e problem we
okay and we miss our question and we miss our question
to kwame say ene de mama okwan appointment
at all
fache me IV plunge also or tantrai go money do be answer we am here at bechna bye bye